Hey everyone, this is SEA Crypto Daily Buzz. Today is Monday, June 8th, 2026. This channel summarizes the most important crypto news for investors across Southeast Asia, the Philippines, Vietnam, Indonesia, Singapore, and beyond. Let's get straight into today's 3 stories. Bitcoin and Ethereum are bouncing hard off the weekend washout. Bitcoin is back above $62,000, up 2.48% after defending the 59,100 low. Ethereum rallied even harder to $1,634, up 4.77%. The bigger signal is on-chain. 2 anonymous whales borrowed a combined $270 million on Aave over the past 36 hours and bought more than 165,000 ETH, around $1,500 to $1,650. Their liquidation prices sit between $1,280 and $1,356. They are betting hard on a floor. Meanwhile, the Coinbase Bitcoin premium has now been negative for 19 straight days. U.S. selling pressure is easing, but U.S. buyers have not returned. For Southeast Asian holders, that combination of whales adding leverage at the lows while U.S. retail stays cautious is historically when smart money positions before the next leg. Bybit just launched IPO Express, becoming one of the first centralized exchanges to offer tokenized IPO access at the offering price. And the inaugural deal is SpaceX. In partnership with Payward's xStocks, eligible users worldwide can subscribe between June 7th and 11th, with allocation on June 12th and spot trading the same day. The tokenized shares are backed one-to-one by real equity held in regulated broker-dealer custody. For Southeast Asian investors, this is genuinely new ground. A trader in Manila, Jakarta, or Ho Chi Minh City can now bid for SpaceX at IPO pricing without a U.S. brokerage account. The risk side is real too. Tokenized IPO shares can swing wildly on listing day. Regulatory treatment of tokenized equity in the Philippines, Vietnam, and Indonesia is still being written, treated as IPO exposure first, crypto products second. And here is the regulatory story every Southeast Asian stablecoin user needs to understand. HTX has fully suspended trading and removed the $1 USD stablecoin from World Liberty Financial after WLFI froze HTX-linked addresses. The UK designated Huobi Global SA on May 26 under Russia sanctions rules, and WLFI used its compliance framework to freeze tokens at the issuer level. HTX then auto-converted every user's $1 USD balance into USDT 1-to-1 and halted all deposits and withdrawals. The lesson is bigger than HTX. A stablecoin issuer with a freeze function can lock balances on any platform under sanctions review. For OFW remittance users in the Philippines, P2P traders in Vietnam, and stablecoin holders in Indonesia, the signal is clear. Diversify your stablecoin exposure and never park your full remittance float in a single token. Quick recap of today's 3 stories. 1. BTC, back above $62,000 and whales buying ETH. 2. Bybit launches IPO Express for SpaceX. 3. HTX removes $1 USD stablecoin after freeze. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Chart analysis and trading insights. Join our free Telegram channel, link in the description. See you in the next one.